Recently, a lot of people have been asking me how can they create some question videos using AI so that they can increase their engagement on particular faceless channels that they've got on social media. And Trivia by Tipito AI is one I came across recently that allows you to do just that. If this is your first time here, my name is JI and this is the Everyday AI channel where we teach you how you can use AI in your daily lives. So once you sign in and sign up to Trivia, you'll be brought to this page. I'm going to go to my projects, and as you can see here, we've got this prompt box. I'm going to type in here something like, let's say, emerging marketing trends. Here we go. Now that was still quite a generic sort of prompt, but yeah, let's see what we get out of this. So we've got some options to customize it. We can add a social handle if we want to, but we don't necessarily have to. Marketing guru, lost in trends, prove your knowledge now. Okay, cool. So that's an intro that they've given us. Which marketing strategy prioritizes personalized customer experiences? Okay, cool. So we've basically got all the questions here which we can tweak, and the right answers as well. So this is a really cool way to like maximize engagement on faceless channels. If you want to create a faceless channel with this kind of theme, then yeah, you should definitely go for it, because people typically like trivia, and the key thing is that it maintains engagement. So I'm going to take a look at this video. It's just created for us.
Marketing guru or lost in trends?
Cool. Okay, so I'm gonna leave it there. I think this is actually a really cool way to increase engagement on potentially your stories. I've done this kind of stuff before in the past a while ago, and it actually did help increase engagement on my stories. Or of course, like I said, you can just create a faceless TikTok or Instagram or YouTube Shorts page around this. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure you subscribe. And if you'd like to talk to me, then head over to Jay's Instagram, where you can chat to ChatJPT, which is essentially ChatGPT combined with my way of thinking, speaking, and seeing the world. So if you like these videos, then you'll definitely enjoy having a chat with ChatJPT. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.